The Toorak 27 is a large single-storey family home and one of Eden Brae's most popular designs. This brand new display home has just opened up here in beautiful North Rothbury. So join me now as we take a walk through to see what this home has to offer. One of my favourite features of this home is the immediate feeling of space that you get the moment you walk through the front door. But this is a large family home after all, with 3 separate living areas, starting with this living room located at the front of the home. Walking through these generous double doors, we come to the master bedroom. It has a his and hers walk-in robe and a very generous ensuite. But this room is an extra large space. There's plenty of room for a beautiful king-size bed, bedside tables, extra seating area, or even additional storage. There's a great sized laundry allowing you to have plenty of options when it comes to your storage fit out, as we've done here. There's also a linen and the internal garage door, creating a very functional utility space that's well located within the home's floor plan. The powder room is centrally located in this floor plan. It's very functional for you and your guests to use this, especially when it comes time to entertain. One of the many reasons why this floor plan is so popular is this large open plan dining, living and kitchen area. The size of this space allows for a very generous kitchen with plenty of bench space, and this island, it's perfect for mixing with your family and of course when it comes time to entertaining with your guests. But another reason why I like this floor plan is the butler's pantry. It's a great size, providing lots of storage options, but it's also an additional preparation area, allowing the rest of the kitchen to stay sparkling clean. A separate hallway leads to the 3 family bedrooms with their own bathroom. This creates a separate sleeping zone for the rest of the family. And the addition of doors, like these contemporary sliding barn doors, allows this space to become private, the perfect separate sleeping zone. A second entryway to that hallway is very functional in a home that you can actually walk all the way around. It leads to this rumpus room, which is the 3rd living area in this home. Now this is a great chill out zone, the perfect TV room or maybe a home theatre. And this and that open plan living area leads out to that fantastic alfresco. This alfresco provides the perfect link from the inside of the home to your backyard. And it's great for entertaining with those large glass doors opening up to make what is already a large home feel even larger. You can come and take a walk through this home yourself right here at the Huntlee estate in North Rothbury, or why not do the virtual tour online at edenbraehomes.com.au.